Sony has sparked excitement by registering a new camera in China, fueling rumors that it could be the highly anticipated A7V. Photographers are eager to, as there are rumors that this camera will be unveiled at CP Plus 2025, a major event in Japan where top brands reveal their latest products. So let's get straight into the video to find out more about the Sony A7V. The first big change we expect is a new sensor. The A7V is rumoured to feature a 44-megapixel full-frame Exmor-R CMOS sensor, specifically the IMX366 model. This sensor is rumoured to offer a significant upgrade in terms of resolution and readout speed, making it ideal for capturing both fast-moving subjects and high-quality video footage. The new sensor would also improve image quality, allowing photographers and videographers to capture more detail, especially in challenging lighting conditions. This sensor would be a game changer for anyone looking for high resolution and fast performance in a single camera. Another major feature we expect from the A7V is continuous shooting at high speeds. The camera might be capable of shooting up to 20 frames per second, which would be an impressive upgrade from the A7 IV's 10 FPS. This would be especially useful for capturing fast-moving subjects, whether in sports photography or wildlife shooting. The 20 FPS would allow photographers to capture every split second, ensuring they don't miss any important moments. Whether using the mechanical or electronic shutter, the A7V is expected to deliver smooth and fast performance in these situations. When it comes to video, the A7V is rumoured to offer some serious improvements. One of the most exciting possibilities is 4K recording at 120 frames per second. This would make the A7V an excellent choice for videographers looking to create smooth, high-quality video. The camera could also support 8K recording at 30 FPS, which would make it one of the few consumer cameras capable of recording in such high resolution. This would open up new creative possibilities for filmmakers, offering more options for slow-motion footage and high-resolution video capture. If these video features are true, the A7V would certainly attract content creators and video professionals who need a camera that can handle both photography and video with ease. In addition to the new sensor and impressive shooting capabilities, the A7V is also expected to come with a major upgrade to its viewfinder. The camera could feature a 5.76 million dot True Finder OLED electronic viewfinder, EVF. This would be a significant step up from the 3.68 million dot EVF found in the A7 IV. A higher resolution EVF would allow photographers to get a clearer and more detailed view of their scene, making it easier to compose shots and ensure focus. For photographers who rely heavily on their viewfinder, this would be a welcome improvement. Another potential feature that could make the A7V stand out is its use of artificial intelligence, AI, to improve autofocus and subject tracking. Sony has been incorporating AI technology into its cameras for a while, and it's expected that the A7V will take it to the next level. The AI-driven autofocus system could offer better real-time tracking of both people and animals, ensuring that subjects remain in focus even when they move quickly. This would be especially useful for wildlife photographers or anyone who shoots fast action, as it would help keep the subject sharp and in focus. AI could also help with noise reduction in low-light situations. With AI-based noise reduction, the A7V might be able to deliver cleaner images in challenging lighting conditions. This would be a huge advantage for photographers who need to shoot in low-light environments, such as during concerts, events, or at night. The combination of AI-driven autofocus and noise reduction would make the A7V a powerful tool for capturing high-quality images in a wide range of situations. While there is still no official confirmation from Sony about the A7V's release date, rumors indicate that the camera could be launched sometime in early 2025. Many believe that the A7V will make its official debut at the CP Plus 2025 event, which is typically held in February. This would make sense as Sony has a history of revealing new cameras at major events like CP+. However, there is a chance that the camera's announcement could be delayed, with some sources speculating that the release could be pushed back to as late as October 2025. Photographers and videographers are eagerly awaiting the A7V, hoping for a camera with high resolution, fast shooting speeds, and advanced video features. If it lives up to the rumors, it could surpass the already impressive A7 IV and take performance to the next level. If the A7V includes the rumored features, it would put it in direct competition with some of the best mirrorless cameras on the market, such as the Canon EOS R5 and the Nikon Z6 II. The combination of a high-resolution sensor, fast shooting speeds, and advanced video capabilities would make it a formidable opponent to these models. The A7V would likely appeal to both professional photographers who need a reliable workhorse and enthusiasts who want a high-performance camera without breaking the bank. The Canon EOS R5, for example, offers 8K video recording and a 45-megapixel sensor. While the A7V may not push for 8K video recording, it could still give the R5 a run for its money with its rumored 8K capability at 30 FPS and a slightly lower resolution sensor. Similarly, the Nikon Z6 II, which is known for its great video and image quality, would face stiff competition from the A7V if it includes 4K 120 FPS and 8K recording. Overall, the A7V has the potential to be a game changer in the mirrorless camera market. If it includes the rumored features, it could offer an excellent balance of high resolution, fast performance, and advanced video capabilities, making it a top choice for both professional photographers and content creators. While we still don't know everything about the Sony A7V, the rumors indicate that it will be a major upgrade over its predecessor, the A7 IV. With improvements in sensor technology, shooting speed, video capabilities, and autofocus, the A7V could become one of the most powerful mirrorless cameras on the market. Sony's focus on speed, AI-driven features, and video performance could make the A7V a popular choice among photographers and videographers alike. As we wait for the official announcement, one thing is clear. The Sony A7V is shaping up to be an exciting new release in the world of digital cameras. Whether it arrives at CP Plus 2025 or a little later, it's sure to make waves in the camera industry. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comment below.